Hello guys, welcome to a world where ideas come to life. Arbitrage trading in cryptocurrency involves taking advantage of price differences for the same asset across different exchanges or markets. The goal is to buy the asset at a lower price on one platform and sell it at a higher price on another, thereby profiting from the discrepancy. Tracker, how it works. 1. Identify price differences. Traders monitor multiple exchanges to find cryptocurrencies that are priced differently. 2. Buy low, sell high. They purchase the cryptocurrency on the exchange where it's cheaper and simultaneously sell it on the exchange where it's priced higher. 3. Profit from the spread. The difference between the buy and sell prices minus fees is the profit. Types of arbitrage. 1. Spatial arbitrage, exploiting price differences between different exchanges. 2. Temporal arbitrage, taking advantage of price changes over time on the same exchange. 3. Cross-border arbitrage, benefiting from price differences between countries due to varying demand, regulations, or currency exchange rates. Varieties, challenges, transaction fees. High fees can eat into profits. Withdrawal and deposit times. Delays in transferring funds between exchanges can lead to missed opportunities. Market volatility. Rapid price changes can turn a potential profit into a loss. Regulatory risks. Different jurisdictions may have varying regulations affecting arbitrage opportunities. Factor 1. Tools and strategies. Automated bots. Many traders use bots to quickly identify and execute arbitrage opportunities. Liquidity analysis, ensuring there's enough volume to execute large trades without significantly moving the market. Risk management, setting limits on the amount of capital allocated to arbitrage to mitigate potential losses. Arbitrage trading can be profitable, but requires careful planning, quick execution, and an understanding of the risks involved. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more content. Let me know your thoughts in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.